everyone, Joe here, just doing a quick update on our Pro Street group build and what we've got going on so far. Again, we're doing the 55 Vet and we're modifying it so that it will be a Pro Street. We have our chassis all in paint. Not detailed yet, but it's in paint. I had to cut out the back wheels wells and narrow it up a bit. Again, not accurate by any means, but it's all for about having some fun and using your imagination. We got the engine put together and we'll get that all cleaned up. We put on a little bit of weathering. We just got to touch it up now and do some other bits and bobs. We still got to do our carburetors and put those on. We have the interior parts here, and we have our body done, and we've got all the panels put on, and they have been filled and sanded so that hopefully we won't have any lines. We'll get some primer on there and take a look, but the tops have also been filled in. And we did that because in the real Corvettes, these were all filled in as one piece. That one looks like it's probably going to be a problem. It feels smooth though. But that's what we got. Not much else going on right now. So we'll come back with some more updates. Hopefully we'll get some primer on here and get some other stuff done. But hope everyone's doing well. And hope you're being safe. Until next time, take care.